Welcome back to more electric ukulele lessons. We're at jam level, so I'll show you the clip and then the isolated track, and if you're a beginner, you might go back to the earlier episodes where I go slower. Why an electric uke and not a guitar? Well, the gear costs are lower, it's generally easier than guitar, it's something different. The downside is that you only have 4 strings, and so you sometimes have to be content with close enough. For gear, I'm using a Clearwater tenor uke with a compressor, octave pedal, and Zoom G3XN effects. Today we're going to do Led Zepp's When the Levee Breaks. The uke line, or at least how I'm brutalizing it by condensing several guitar layers, is pretty simple and relies on bouncing off the strings a bit with this little pull-off. Note that I'm pitch shifting everything down 2 steps. For the last outro bit, I'm inserting a slow attack effect to simulate the backwards sound. I did something like this with Pearl Jam's Wish List in an earlier video. Tune your uke and let's play.
Last night was